We're saying crisscross applesauce. I've got my eyes on the teacher and my hands in my lap. We're saying crisscross applesauce. I've got my eyes on the teacher and my hands in my lap. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. All right, friends. We are about to have fun with letters. Yay! Letter sounds. Who said letter sounds? Really good. Have a seat, Layla. Okay, now, this is what I expect. It's Friday. We have a fantastic 9-day break ahead of us. We're going to go home, have fun with our families, do some great, maybe even some going out to see Christmas decorations. And do you know what I want to send home today? Smiley faces. I want everyone to have like a smiley face on their chart or a good note with stickers to take home to mom. Oh, you guys want that for your long week, right? Okay, this is what I want you to do. Help me say this word.
Cat.
It's cat, right? Yes, absolutely. But this is what I want to do. I would like to know, I would like you guys to help me, help me listen to the sounds in the word cat. So eyes on me, okay? Eyes on me.
Cat.
Let's make the first sound together. Second sound. What's the first sound that you hear in the word cat? Don't call out. Listen. Think about it. Lower your hands. When I say the word cat, Layla, what's the first sound that you hear? Make the sound for me. Not the letter. Make the sound. Very good. Very good.
Go this way to get it.
No. Okay. Let's try another one. Guys, this is the coolest game. I'm serious. I want everybody to play. But in order to play, we have to sit up straight. Eyes on the teacher. I know we've had a long day. We're going to do this. We're going to have a fun wiggle break. Don't say the word. Don't say the word. Don't. Who is that telling people what to do? Who's the teacher? Let me give the instructions, okay? So I expect you to sit, watch me, and raise your hand to
Speak or stand.
Very good. Raise your hand to speak or stand. Okay. Now, let's sound this word out. Let's make the sound of the first letter. Second letter. Third letter. What's the word? Okay. Now think about it. Audrey, tell me the sound you hear at the beginning of the word ma. What's the sound? What letter makes that sound? Audrey, tell me the letter. What letter makes it? Good job. Happy Chappy. Who else do I owe Happy Chappy? Somebody answer. Layla, I'm sorry. Okay. RJ, I need you to help me next. Sit up. Okay, RJ. We are going to play a fun game. Oh, Devin, sit up. I'm going to take your head. Sit up. Sit up.
She's tired.
Okay. I need need everybody up. Sit up. 1, 2, 3. Up. It's not time for nap. We'll have a fun wiggle dance in just a little bit. But we just came back from computer lab. Right? And lunch and recess. Yes.
We just want to recess.
Well, we had, I know, but we had a break. Okay. So we spelled cat. And we broke the sounds apart. We spelled mop. And we broke the sounds apart. Now, this is what I want to do. I have letters. And I need you guys to help me make the sound of the letter. What letter is this?
B.
Right. What sound does B make? Don't tell us. Very good. Very good. Can we think of any words to begin with that sound, Madison? Madison. Are there any words to begin with
All right,
that?
so y'all aren't doing anything fun for me to let the side please. I just want to make sure you are.
No, we're not.
Okay, I'll just put him by himself.
Let's do this, Madison. I'm going to help.
So, okay.
We know this is the, what letter is this again? B. And it makes what sound, RJ?
Butterfly.
What is this?
Butterfly.
Very good, class. What is this? Well, let's say these words. First, let's say the word butterfly.
Butterfly.
Does butterfly begin with the B?
Yeah.
Does ball begin with the B?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, this is what we're going to do. One more, and then we're going to take a camping trip. We're going to go on a camping trip. RJ, you want to go on a camping trip?
Do
you?
I'm
What's a camping trip? Oh, we have got to tell Tyler what a camping trip is. RJ, can you help me?
I don't know what it is.
Hold on, listen. RJ's going to tell us.
A camping trip is I go bring tents and you open them up and you roast marshmallows.
Did you hear that?
Marshmallows.
No. He said you go somewhere.
And you burn them on
Whoa. Let me tell you what he said. Thank you, RJ. You put up a tent, roast marshmallows, and what else did you say, RJ?
And
Here, get back on 2 and tell me what you said.
it says that you can tell ghost stories.
And tell ghost stories.
Well, and
Who else can tell me about a camping trip? Who's been camping? Has anyone been camping yet? I know you guys are a little young, but hold on 1 second. Wade had his hand up. I'm going to come back. Wade, have you been camping? So what's a camping? Can you describe what a camping trip is like to some of our classmates?
So first you set up the tent, and then you get stuff ready. But first you find a fireplace and stuff. Then you put a tent right by it, but not too close, a little away. Okay, and then you set some stuff up, and then you set up your tent. Then
Break it in half, full.
you can find a table. Sometimes they're there's some tables where you can eat. And when I actually went on a trip, then I actually did.
Stop it, Brandon.
Then
You don't need to get him up.
I'm sorry, Wade. So you're telling us, let me make sure I understand what you're saying. So you said,
and we brought some phone, we brought some food from home, and we ate some of that, and we also brought some crackers and some chocolate, and after we were done with our dinner, then we roasted marshmallows and put chocolate on it, and
to make s'mores? Oh, I love s'mores.
And then we put crackers on
Graham
the
crackers?
chalk. And then we put the crackers on the chocolate pit that was on the marshmallows, and then we ate it and stuff. And
Hold on, I want to give someone else a turn. Wade, that's remarkable. One of the things that Wade said is very important is you have to.
It's like mine.
But do you guys hear me talk? Okay, let me talk. Okay, so Wade said you have to find a campsite, right? Yeah. So you want to find a campsite, set up your tent, and then another thing his family did, they took food with them, so they planned, they prepared, and that's kind of what our game is about. What would we take on a camping trip? Really quick, Brandon.
I'll never go there. I
Okay, hold on one second. Hold on, Devin. Have you been camping? Can you tell us about camping?
My mom
Okay.
told me
Class,
about.
class.
Yes, yes. My mom.
Class. One moment, Devin. I will get